The definition of adventure. Boy, there's so many different culturally defined definitions. What if the energy of adventure is actually something different than what everyone else is thinking it is, that's keeping them from actually being it? So let's start there and just get what the energy of adventure is. So adventure is when you actually choose a quality or an energy or a priority that you find that you'd like to have in your future, and then you allow it to show up any way it shows up, right? That's kind of like life, shows up anyway, but we're all fighting to try to make it show up the way we want it to show up. So at DIA right now, heading for Maui, we have no plans, Lucas Brooks and I, on how this is going to show up. We've got tickets to land in Maui. And when we get there, we're going to follow the energy and the priorities and what we're actually asking for, which is joy, communion, connection with the earth, and creating and finding new possibilities on how to help other people have those same things easily, joy and ease. So check back with us. We'd love to see you guys soon, and we'll keep you updated with new posts.